If you're struggling with restless sleep, low mood, muscle tension, or just feeling a bit wired and tired, magnesium could be the missing piece. This little mineral is a powerhouse, responsible for over 300 processes in the body, including calming your nervous system, supporting better sleep, lifting your mood, easing muscle tension, and helping your body handle stress. So how do you actually get more magnesium into your life? Let's look at the 5 best ways to do just that. So first up, the best way to get any nutrient is in its most natural form, which is through what you eat. So here are the 7 foods that are highest in magnesium: pumpkin seeds, almonds, cashews, spinach, black beans, wait for it, dark chocolate, yes, that's correct, but ideally it's got to be dark, and no sugar, and also avocado. So try to add a few of these to your meals each day. You could use a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds on your breakfast, a handful of almonds maybe as a snack, or some spinach in your omelette. It all counts towards your daily magnesium intake. The second way to get more magnesium in your diet or in your body is through supplements. So if you're struggling to get enough from food alone, a magnesium supplement could be a game changer for you, especially if you're under a lot of stress or you're exercising intensely. So there are limitations to getting magnesium from food due to the depletion of our soil and the extensive spraying of our crops before harvesting. And this is where supplements can be especially helpful. But not all magnesium supplements are created the same. The best types of magnesium supplements to look for are magnesium glycinate, which can also look like on the label or include magnesium bisglycinate. And the next one would be a magnesium citrate. These types of magnesium are gentle on the stomach and are also most easily absorbed. Most people need about 500 to 600 milligrams per day of magnesium, and as we can only absorb part of that at a time, it's best divided over 2 to 3 doses per day, maybe even sipped in a drink bottle over an hour or so for each dose. The third way to get more magnesium into your body is magnesium creams or oils. So these are applied directly to your skin, which is brilliant if you have digestive issues, especially poor absorption, or you want to just target particular sore or tight muscles. So some people, when they spray magnesium spray on, they get a stinging sensation. And a common misconception from that is that it means that it's not working. However, stinging usually actually indicates that you have a lower level of fat in your skin layer, and that may or may not appear as dry skin. In that case, either use a moisturizer or oil before you spray, or just use a magnesium cream instead of a spray, because the cream layer delivers that fat portion to the skin, which means there's no more stinging. So check the concentration of your cream or oil to work out how much to apply. It can really vary depending on the brands, so it's really important to check to make sure you're getting an effective dose into your system. You can rub it directly onto tight shoulders or calves before bed. That's a nice calming effect, or you can put it on any area of the body to absorb it more generally. The fourth way to get more magnesium into your body is to add it to your bath. So you could soak in a warm bath with magnesium salts, and it's a beautiful way to wind down and to also absorb magnesium directly through the skin and bypass the digestive system. So look for magnesium chloride flakes rather than Epsom salts. The magnesium chloride is better absorbed through the skin, and it's more effective for topping up your magnesium stores. Epsom salts are great, but in this case, go for magnesium salts. In a bath, you could add 1 cup of the salts with your water, and you could use some essential oils depending on what result you're going for, whether it's more muscle recovery or more relaxation. And the fifth way to increase your magnesium is to reduce what actually drains your magnesium in the first place. So the main things that will chew through your magnesium is caffeine, alcohol, sugar, and chronic ongoing stress. These all reduce your magnesium levels, leaving you open to deficiency. So try to keep those things in check. Where you can, think like 1 less coffee, a mindful swap from wine to herbal tea, or a few extra minutes of deep breathing when life gets hectic, before food, before sleep. And when you reach for those sugary drinks or food, stop, check in with your body and reconsider what your body really needs. Hint, it's not usually sugar that it needs. So there are 5 simple ways to boost your magnesium and support your sleep, your mood, and your stress resilience. So if you found this information helpful, please save the video or share it with a friend who needs to calm their farm or even just reduce their muscle tension. So if you'd like more tips like this, follow along for more ways to beat burnout and to feel your best physically, mentally and emotionally. Remember, you're your best healer. Bye for now.